Hi everyone, it's time for the audit paper now. So let's start the preparation schedule. As soon as you write the previous paper, when you come back home, I will request you all to study chapters number 10 and 11 first. So on that day, wrap up 10 and 11. Next day morning up to lunch, finish chapter number 3 first, then chapter number 1, then chapter number 6. After lunch till let's say 6 p.m. in the evening, you have to cover chapter number 4 and chapter number 2. After that, in the evening time, you have to cover chapter number 7 and chapter number 8. And finally, next day, that is the day of the audit paper, you need to focus on chapter number 9 and chapter number 5. Do this schedule in a proper manner and ensure that you are writing a killer paper. Also keep 1 hour just before the examination so that you can go through the standard numbers, Caro clause numbers and section numbers of company audit chapter which is there in law, so that because some of those areas you may need to quote the section numbers in the audit paper too. I wish you all the very best. Study well. Take care. Bye.